Samsung's next Unpacked event is just weeks away. We expect to see the successive iterations of the company's foldable devices, the Galaxy Watch series, and Galaxy Buds earbuds. While we wait eagerly for what to expect from these products, a new leak already suggests alleged pricing of the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro and new renders of the upcoming Galaxy Watch series. Along with the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 come 10th of August, Samsung is also expected to announce their next-gen smartwatch, the Galaxy Watch 5. Now thanks to Evan Blass, he has published a bunch of renders of the upcoming wearable on 91 mobiles, possibly giving us the clearest look at the smartwatch to date. Keep in mind that based on the current rumors, it is expected that Samsung will be announcing the watch in two variants. The normal Galaxy Watch 5 and the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. At the moment, it is unclear if there will be any features or hardware that will differentiate the two models, but one thing we have heard is that the Pro model could feature a titanium build and a sapphire glass display. This is meant to give the watch a more luxurious appearance and feel. But under the hood we're not sure if there are any differences yet. Chances are there won't be, similar to how Apple has the Apple Watch and Apple Watch Edition models that are the same functionally, but only different in terms of materials. Also, another thing to take note of in these renders is that it looks like the rumors might be true about Samsung ditching the rotating bezel found in the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. We're sure this is a feature that some users are going to miss, but on the upside, Samsung has reportedly improved on the watch's battery life, where the new models are said to be good for up to 3 days of usage. Apart from this, the upcoming Galaxy earbuds are likely priced at $229.95, Google reports, citing a source familiar with the retail section. For comparison, the Galaxy Buds Pro were launched at $199 last year, and we can see a significant increase in the pricing compared to the Galaxy Buds 2, which retailed at $149. The increase in the alleged pricing of the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro appears to be interesting, to say the least. Going by the recent leaks, the upcoming Galaxy Buds seem to have very little difference in terms of design, closely resembling their predecessors. It will likely feature the same clamshell case design with a USB Type-C port on the rear. The source further revealed the upcoming Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro colorways. The Galaxy Watch 5 40mm is said to be featured in gold, gray, and silver color options. These details fairly resonate with the Evan Blass leaked last month. The previous leak also gave away some more color options, including graphite and sapphire. That said, we must consider Samsung's previous history of choosing different color options for its products across regions, and switching up its names each year. The new Galaxy Buds 2 Pro are set to arrive just in time to give the Pixel Buds Pro a fair amount of competition. In our Pixel Buds Pro review, we found them to be quite exceptional earbuds, with solid ANC and great audio quality, though there are a few flaws. We're expecting Samsung to announce these on August 10th during Galaxy Unpacked. However, you can reserve these devices now to receive up to $200 in Samsung credit. So what do you guys think about these new renders and overall pricing of upcoming Buds 2 Pro? Let me know it down in the comments section, and all the latest updates on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Be sure to subscribe, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.